Hey everyone, it's Bree from Camp Out RV in Stratford. We are at the Kitchener RV show and we're going to take a quick walk through this Puma Vista destination unit. It is 42 feet overall in length. It's a great unit to put on a seasonal campsite or as a bunkie or for sort of like your cottage. It is listed at around $90,000. That is our regular price. We do have a show price for it right now, but let's take a look at everything that it offers. Great, let's go inside and check it out. So as you can see, we do have a really nice big slide in this one in the kitchen. That just gives you a great open living area. It does have residential size appliances, so a full-size stove and a full-size fridge. You've even got your drawer here for extra fridge space. Full double door fridge with your crispers and everything in it. And a full-size drawered freezer at the bottom. The sink in this one is also a little fancier. It comes with all the kind of bells and whistles in it. You've got your cutting board that sits right on there. Different sink sort of inserts. So if you're rinsing produce or washing dishes, you've got that. It does have the cup rinser as well and a little soap dispenser. Lots of great storage throughout this one, including this really big pantry. So if you are using it as a cottage or on a seasonal site, you can completely stock it up. It's not like you're having to bring groceries every time. You can really just use it as if it's a cottage. Again, another big cupboard down here, and there is storage under the island as well. We've got some bar stool seating here, which is a nice kind of offering as opposed to a dinette or a table. It just helps open up this space so you've got a lot of kind of room to move around and you're not feeling like you're in a hallway. And then these stools do tuck underneath, so when you're not eating, like I said, it just gives you a lot more room. At the back here, we have our L-shaped sofa. It is the upgraded kind of comfier sofa as opposed to the traditional one that comes in trailers. It's got cup holders in it and a little middle console here to keep your remotes so they don't go missing. Storage above, and then across from that is our entertainment center. So we've got a nice big TV here. Our sound system, which there are outdoor and indoor speakers connected through here so you can play your music. It is Bluetooth as well. And then we do have an electric fireplace below that does offer heat and is also just nice for an ambiance. If you don't want the heat on, you can just use it for lighting. Up the spiral staircase is one of the two lofts in this unit. So there are two single beds up here for kids or for company. Why don't you go check it out? One of the nice things about Puma is that they've really thoughtfully designed it for a campsite. So there are nice, huge windows here to let in natural light. This is also on your door side. So you're looking at your campsite, you're looking at your family sitting out there around the fire. They do have the easy roller shades, which are blackout. So if it is a hot day, it does keep the heat out, and they also keep the light out if you're wanting to sleep in. Coming towards here, I'll just point out we do have some under cabinet mood lighting here. So again, at nighttime, if you're trying to calm down or just don't want the overhead lights on, you can kind of set the ambiance with the under cabinet lighting. Back here, we do have our second loft. So it's got a ladder going up, two more single beds up there for the kids or company. Another great feature in this one is it does have the ceiling fan in it, which is kind of a newer feature this in the last couple of years for destination units, just to help circulate air. So if it's not too hot of a day and you don't need the AC on, it's a nice way to just keep the air flowing. We also have windows on either side, so you can get a nice cross breeze as well. Coming towards the back, we have our washroom. It's got a full-size shower. It's got lots of storage in it. And then at the back here is our king bed. So this would kind of be the master suite. Again, a big slide here to help open up this rear space for you. All of the slides are on the driver's side, not on the door side, so they're not coming into your camping site. They're away, which is really thoughtfully designed. And then again, the storage in here is just impeccable. There's a massive shirt closet back here. You do have your bar here. There's lighting in there, and then a shelf on top. There's a couple shelves above the bed here for more clothes or things. There's also those mounted little tables for your devices or a glass of water to bring to bed. We've got some drawer storage here, little dresser. There is backing here if you wanted to add a second TV into the bedroom. It's all equipped for it right here. And then again, more storage. So lots of shelves here and another big closet. This is prepped for a washer dryer as well. So if you wanted to add that in, you can absolutely do that. You've already got your hookups here, and it does fit that RV size washer dryer. So this one sleeps about 6 people with the bunks and everything. Puma has a lot of different floor plans that you can sleep more or less than that depending on who's coming to the campsite. Almost all of the Vistas do come with a king bed, which is a really nice feature because it's nice to be able to sprawl out. Yeah, we've got lots of these on the lot if you ever wanted to come take a look. They're a great unit, and we've got quite a few different models right now at Camp Out, so feel free to come take a look. Thanks for coming on the tour with us.
Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss another awesome video.